Honorable members of the panel, the Parliamentary Select Committee, Talofa Lava, kia ora, and good afternoon. Te hei te mauri ora, e ngā iwi, e ngā reo, e ngā mana. E mihi atu te whare nei e tūrou, e tūrou, e tūrou. E tūrou e tangata whenua, e tūrou e rangatira, e tūrou e mana whenua. Haere mai, haere mai, haere mai. Tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou kātou tō. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Savea Al Harrington Lavea. In my capacity, I hold the position as the Secretariat of the Whanokautua Samoa in Auckland, New Zealand, or the Samoan Advisory Council, that is celebrating 50 years this year since the re-establishment in 1984. The role and functions of the Samoan Advisory Council is to assist and to support every initiative that will have a positive impact for a better future of all Samoans in Auckland and Samoans around New Zealand, whether it's socially or prosperity economically. I speak on behalf of hundreds of members of this whānau and thousands more of New Zealanders from around the world and around New Zealand itself who are not able to be here today. I need not to put forward in front of you the background and the reasons to reflect on why we are here. This is a historical moment in the history of our two nations, New Zealand and Samoa. Just wanting to remind you, you came to Samoa uninvited and forcing your political will upon us and colonized us for many years. To reflect on some of the main points I want to. Perhaps we can revisit and revive our friendship treaty by honoring and restoring our Citizenship Act 1982, an absolute fundamental right for Samoans that was unjust and unfairly taken away from us. I strongly support Honorable Te Anu Tuiono's private bill for Samoan Citizenship Act to be restored, not only for those who were born between the periods of 1924 till 1948 and their descendants of, perhaps to take into account that first generation that were born from those who were born at that specific time, and everyone else will entitle to it through citizenship by descent. This is no longer a political issue, as stated by the Honorable Winston Peters, but is simply a wrong that needed to put right. I want to thank you for the opportunity to speak on behalf of my Samoan people and the Samoan Advisory Council. Justice delayed is justice denied. May God bless you in your consideration. And I want you, through the Select Committee, the New Zealand government and parliament has a choice. And that choice is to make the wrong right.